How to issue your first invoice. Now that you have created the first customer, let's issue your first invoice. Click on New Invoice. All the customers you have created will be visible here in this drop-down menu. Select the customer you want to issue the invoice. Select the due date. Then you can choose your currency, tax, or discount, if any. You can choose from 3 different templates. In Notes, you can add any comment that will be visible on the invoice. Next, you enter the service or product you are offering. Enter the quantity, the rate. If you have multiple items, simply press Add and write the details, and you can see the total below. You can add discount if you want. And then press Save Invoice. And here you have it. Your custom branded invoice with your logo and details with invoice number, customer's detail, and you bank details for getting the payment from your customer. You can also change the template design. We have clean template. And you also have option to select modern. Choose the one that you like. Now you can share it by clicking the Share PDF button. It will show you a lot of options. If you have WhatsApp installed, it will show it here. And you can simply click and share. You can also save as PDF for your physical record if required. Now go to Invoice, and all of your invoices will be visible here. And if you go to Dashboard, you can see the status of issued invoices here in a summary view.